Are you tired of applying to jobs that never reply? What if I told you there is a company hiring Nigerians right now for remote jobs that pays in dollars? Believe me, no degree is required, no prior experience is even needed. So, let me introduce you to Sigma.AI, a real company offering flexible online jobs you can do from the comfort of your home, even with just your smartphone or laptop. So, stick around because I will show you how you can apply, how much they pay you, what kind of jobs they offer, how you can start earning in just a few days. And I'll also be telling you the payment method which is actually accepted in Nigeria. Both their payment methods are actually accepted and recognized here in Nigeria and in Africa as a whole. Come back to the channel, and on this channel we share the best ways to make money online, remote job opportunities, and legit websites hiring Africans in 2025. So if you're here, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, give these videos a thumbs up because I drop fresh content weekly that helps you build an online income from Africa or from Nigeria as a whole. Sigma.AI is a global AI training and data labeling company. They help big tech companies to improve their artificial intelligence by collecting and labeling audios, images, videos, and text data. Now, the best part is they have been actively recruiting remote workers, freelancers from Nigeria and other African countries in the world. So they have a lot of, vacancy and openings that are actually recruiting African to help with their new projects and all projects they have. They are not new. Sigma.AI has been around for years and work with trusted partners like Google, Microsoft, and other global tech giants. So say yes, because this is a legit platform that I am actually sharing with you. So the types of jobs you can do on Sigma.AI, they have popular job categories on their website. Now the first one is actually saying as audio transcription and validation, where you actually listen and type what you hear. So even if you don't have a skill, you can actually do this. The next one is image labeling. Image labeling is just you tagging objects in the photos. Text classification, where you read short text and assign categories. The next one is speech recording. Now speech recording is where you speak into your phone to train voice system. Now a lot of us know that there are a lot of voice AI around, and what they do is they hire people to train those voice to sound real like human. No technical skill is needed. You'll be receiving trainings and guidelines and also tags that are straightforward and repetitive. Perfect if you're looking for a consistent remote job. So you don't even need any technical skill to actually sign up on this particular website. So now let's talk about the money, how much they pay you if you're actually on this particular website. Payment varies based on the project, but most tasks pay between $5 to $20 an hour, depending on the speed and accuracy of the worker. Let's break it down. Basic tasks like text annotation, labeling objects can pay you between $50 to $150 every week, while other technical skills like maybe labeling text review, tagging image, audio validation, transcription will pay you about $400 in a month. Now, believe you me, their payment method actually works here in Nigeria. It is not the type of payment method that you'll be looking for another payment method to receive your money from. They pay using Payoneer or Wise, formerly known as TransferWise. Both work perfectly in Nigeria. You can withdraw your funds directly to your Naira bank account or domiciliary account. Now these are the things they also offer. They offer flexible vacation. If you are working with this company or they accept you, now their acceptance time varies, maybe a week or two before they send you a message of maybe they accept you or they reject you, because you have to also take their training. So these are the things you actually enjoy when you start working with them. You enjoy flexible vacation, take time off whenever you need it in consultation with your manager. There's always a manager in every state or in every country where this Sigma.AI actually is. Now, healthcare, full health coverage for you and your family with the Spanish or UK healthcare system. Next one is parental leave. All new parents, whether betting or not betting, are eligible for a paid leave. So it is just like the regular 9 to 5 job or the regular kind of job that you do. The next thing is family accommodation. Adopt your work schedule or work from home according to your family needs. Drink at our cafeteria. We offer a variety of coffee, milk, tea, and herbal infusions in our cafeteria. So maybe you're in the UK or in the US, or maybe in any of their main branches or headquarters, you can always visit their cafeteria to fill your belly. Then professional development, we schedule a variety of annual workshops and seminars for all our employees. So if you are looking to sign up on this website and start making money, this is your go-to. Now there are steps that you need to go on if you want to apply on this website. The first thing is you visit their website called www.sigma.ai.jobs, sigma.ai/jobs to sign up. You scroll through and select a job that interests you and you click on the apply button. So let's go through it. Now I'm looking for a particular job for Nigerian. This is the job position site. You click on it, you scroll through their jobs, scroll through every job that they have, and you look for the ones that work with you. So let me look for the one that is for Nigerian because I'm in Nigeria. So Nigerian Fufu Day. So now all you have to do is to click on the apply for this job. Read through their instruction and details first, then you click on apply for these jobs. Now when you click on apply for this job, all you have to do is to fill in their information or whatever they require of you. After reading through, qualification test. After applying, you have to take the qualification test. Now you wait for your confirmation email. If you're selected, you will start the training. Now they have to train you. If you're selected. Now here is another tip. You can actually join their Telegram channel or their email wait list to get alert on what they actually do and how they upload their jobs. Watch this video up to this level and you have not subscribed to this channel. What are you waiting for? Please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share, as it encourages me to create more videos. And if you have not joined our Telegram channel, I am working on posting, or I've started posting Nigerian remote jobs for Nigerians on the Telegram channel. So you don't need to beat your head around working with international clients remotely when you can actually work with Nigerian companies that are actually willing to hire remote workers. Now Sigma.AI jobs can be your entry point into tech and AI. You don't need any degree, any expensive laptop. You don't even need a visa, just your time and attention. If you stay consistent and reliable, you can build a remote career, get referrals to other companies, and even move into better paying gigs like AI training, voice acting, and linguistic consulting. So don't wait, apply today and take the first step towards earning in dollars from the comfort of your home. So if this video has helped you to this level, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share it with someone who needs an online job right now. Drop a comment if you have any question whatsoever that you want to ask. No matter what the question sounds like, I will reply you and make a follow-up video for you if you request for it. Now I'll be uploading more videos on remote jobs that actually pay Nigerians and are actually working for Nigerians with their evidence and everything. So I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.